Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube video Programming with Rinku, and today I'm going to show you how we can search and create account and contact using the widget. So right now I'm logged in my Zoho CRM account. So as you can see here, I have created a button over there. When we click on this button, it will open a widget, and for this video I have created some fields like company name, contact email, and the mobile number. So when we put the information in that field, for the company name I'm putting just test, and for here I am putting testing. Then I will add the email, and then I will add the mobile number. Okay, before submitting this widget, let me show you the accounts and contact. So let me show more record. Okay, as you can see here, right now we have 14 record in account module, and in contact module we have around 12 records. Okay, so let me submit this widget. Our loader will show, it will process, and it will refresh the deal. Now as you can see here, the contact name and the account name and the contact name are updated in the deal record. If I show you the timeline, here you can see the account name was updated from camel to test, and contact name was updated from blank value to testing. So the widget have searched the record in account and contact module. So let me click the button again. Okay, so for the account, we search the account record using the company name. So whatever value we add in this field, it will search in the account module. If the account name and the company name is equal or matched, then it will doesn't create any record in account module. But if record it doesn't create with the company name, it will create a new record in account module. For the account, we have used company name. For the contact, we use the email of a contact. Using that email ID, we search in a contact module. If the record exists, then we will simply update that record in deal. If not, we will create the contact and then update the same contact in the deal module record. So let me show you the script I have created, or the widget script I have created for this functionality. So here is the script, the widget I have created. So as you can see here, I have created a table, and inside the table I am using the input field for the user input. Then I have created a button, and on that click of that button I have called a search function. So when we scroll down here, I initiated a script tag, then I embedded this script. This script will give me the current record ID. As you can see here, the embedded on load, we have, it will return an entity. In that entity we have other details like the current user details and the current record information. So from that I am fetched the record ID, as you can see here. So as you can see here, I fetched the record ID. Then I have created a hidden field, and here is that the ID of that field. So after fetching the record ID, I insert that ID into that field, as you can see here. Then on a click of a button, I have called this function search record, and as you can see here, this function also call another function which is a async search account. I'm getting this function using the async and await combination. So if I show you the script here, I'm using the await, then I use the CRM API search method to search the record in account module. As you can see here, I'm using the company name and I compare it with the account name. Then after getting the result, As you can see here, if the status code is 2024, it means the account doesn't exist in the CRM. Then I will create a new account. For here I will use the insert record method to create a new account in the CRM. Then I fetch the account ID. If the status code is not 2024, then it means we have the record in the account module. Then we directly fetch the account ID from that record, as you can see here. Then after that we search the contact. For that I'm using the search method. Again, using the search method, the entity is contact. The criteria is email equal to the contact email. Now I'm doing the same thing. If the status code is 2024, which means the record doesn't exist in the contact module. So that I'm using again the insert method to create a new record in the account module. Then after a success message, I get that ID, contact ID. Okay, so after getting the account ID and contact ID, I'm using the update method to update the deal record information. As you can see here, to update a record of a deal module, we need the record ID. So as I showed you earlier, on the load of the page, we fetch the current record ID and store into a input field, which ID is record ID. Okay, so we fetch that detail from that input field. Then we create an account and contact. For account ID and contact ID, we fetching from these functions. Then I pass the trigger workflow true. So if any workflow is written on the deal module on update, then it will trigger. Then using the update method, I will update the deal data. And to close the pop-up, I'm using this function UI.popUp close and reload. So whenever the functionality is completed, like it will search and create all the records and update the deal record, after that it will close the pop-up, the widget pop-up. Okay, that's end for the today videos. I hope you find this video useful. Thanks for watching.